Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno4 Lite, and today I'll show you how to use the screen recording option. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the toggle, which for me it is located right over here. And from here you can hold it. This will take us to the settings, where we can customize a couple of settings of the recording. So number one, we have the sound, so record system sounds, and then record microphone sounds. You can enable it as well. It's really nice that we have the option to enable both of them. Now I'll mention that if you choose to record both sounds, I do advise you to use headphones. Otherwise, the microphone will be picking up the sound of the device itself again, so it will be recording the device sound and then microphone, but microphone will be picking up again this, and it will create this undesirable echo effect. So I would strongly suggest to use headphones for that, or if you don't need it, just disable the microphone. And then we have display, so video resolution. I would strongly suggest to go for the highest one. You can also go for custom, which will allow you to customize it a little bit further. So as you can see, you can go to 1080p and 16 megabits per second. Also, it gives you right here at the bottom the estimated size, but there is a little bit of a, let's see, yeah, so there's this weird thing that I have encountered here. So as you can see, it gives us approximate a 5-minute video will have 600 megabytes. So about 100 megabytes per minute. But even though you go for the highest resolution, it does not change. So if you drop it even to 480p, and this should be probably in like less than 100 megabytes per 5 minutes. So not sure why that is like, so only the bitrate seems to affect it, even though the resolution is about 1/8 or even less of 1080p. So something with that calculation I believe is off. But anyway, I would advise you to go for 1080p, considering resolution seems to, well, either not affect it, the size, or just is bugged out, but still 1080p will look way better. And then bitrate, go as high as you want, assuming you have enough storage for it. So bitrate will make the image look a little bit sharper, and the resolution is just the resolution at which it will be recording. So from there we can go back, and then orientation, I would keep it as it is. Otherwise you can also lock it to be at specific orientation, so portrait, landscape, and if you keep it as it is, it will record it at whatever the orientation of the device is right now. Then we have front camera. This will allow you to add just a selfie cam to the recording. I'll enable just to show it off. And then touch screen, or show inputs. So basically wherever you touch the display, it will be recorded as a semi-transparent dot. So once you're done with the setup right here of the settings, we can now go and actually tap on it to start recording. Now let's allow anything that it asks, because it will primarily need access to all of this. And let's just agree, and tap to record. Now it gives us a quick guide on how to use it. So tap to record, this is the settings at which we just changed, and then exit. So let's tap on the circle, and it starts recording. So as you can see, there I am. And whatever you do now will be recorded. You can also move around the camera. And yeah, so once you're done, tap on it, tap on this little window right here, and then choose to stop it. And this will save the recording to your gallery. So you can either tap right over here to view it, or go through your gallery. I'm also gonna mute it. But as you can see, this is the recording. And there we go. So not much here, just a simple recording. But if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.